everybody. I'm so excited. I'm happy. It's wonderful. I ordered the Nutrisystem diet and I got it delivered straight to my door today. And here's the box. This is huge. Well, I'm going to unbox it. I opened it and this is great. The box is so heavy. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Yes, they got some cardboard in here to separate it. Some papers. And there's a cup to make the milkshakes. Let's look inside and see what's in here. We got lunches, snack bars, there's food, and there's a special box. This is the turbo diet thing. It's here, comes in this box. This one is the turbo diet that has the shakes. I bought the favorite box. It's the one that costs less, and it has all this bunch of food in it. It's for 28 days or 30 days. It has these are potatoes, loaded mashed potatoes. They're delicious, I guess. And there's snack bars. There's snacks. There's lots of snacks. There's snack bars and lunch bars, cake. There's dinners. You have everything you need here for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And outside the packages, it says if it's dinner, and it's color coordinated. They coded it with colors so that you can separate the stuff according to the colors, what's for breakfast, what's for dinner, what's for lunch. I'm a blind person and I can't see it, so I need help to organize it. But after I get stuff organized, and maybe in the boxes, the little one that came, and I can do it myself later, as long as it's organized. And this is the turbo. This is the one that you start with the first week, and it helps you lose weight fast. It has the turbo shakes in it, the diet shakes, and I hope this is healthy. Okay, I'll be updating with results later, telling you if I lost any weight or not. So please subscribe to my channel, like and comment below, please. You can say whatever you want to. I want to know what's your opinion about this. Do you think this is a healthy diet? It has everything you need. It's a low carbohydrate and high protein diet for losing weight fast. Thank you. See you in the next video.